Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Temple Builders, we problem solvers. Temple Builders, safety first. Okay, Temple Builders, today we talking about how to read prints. Now, if you're a carpenter that knows how to read prints, this becomes a major advantage on the job site. I got some actual prints for us to read today, but before we do that, let's take a look at my whiteboard. I got 3 different styles of drawing that you need to know. One is perspective drawing. The other one is orthographic drawings. And right here we have isometric drawings. But let's first start with our perspective drawings. Now let's take a look at our modern home right here. It's drawn in a perspective drawing. This is our most realistic drawing. It's drawn from the person's viewpoint. Right here is our orthographic drawing. Now, orthographic drawing is also known as a multi-view drawing. Now, multi-view drawing is a drawing in which all faces of an object are projected onto a flat plane. And in this example right here, we're looking at the front side of a home with a gable roof. Now, if we turn this house right here to the side, this is the right side of this same object. And right here is the top looking down from a bird's eye view. Okay, right here is a water supply system, and it's drawn in an isometric drawing. An isometric drawing is a drawing in which the 3 principal axes are 120 degrees apart. Now, if you look right here at my circle, you can see 120 degrees, 120 degrees, and 120 degrees. That's 360 degrees. Right here it says 3 equal axis angles. So this line right here that's plumb, that's replicating right here. You see my lines right here that's plumb? Okay. Now 120 degrees right here, you see this line right here? It's replicating these lines right here. And this line right here is replicating these lines right here. Okay, simple as that. Let's move on. Now in this example of my gable home right here, I got the front, the right side, and the top. Now, let's look at some real prints. Come down here. Right here I have the Wendy's restaurant right here. Now it has exterior elevation. As you can see, right here we have front elevation, just like that was on our whiteboard. So the scale is 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Now if we look right here, here's the rear elevation. We're looking at the rear of this building of our Wendy's restaurant. Right here is the right side elevation. And also we have the left side elevation. Now, just like in our whiteboard example right here of our orthographic drawing, we got a viewpoint right here from the top. Now let's look at our Wendy's prints right here. This is a floor plan, okay? That's what your view is called from the top. It's called a plan view when you're looking at it from a bird's eye view, okay? So I'm looking at the floor, okay, from a bird's eye view, because basically from the ground up to about 3 or 4 feet, the rest of the building is taken off, lifted off like a dollhouse. And now I can look down into my building. That's why it's called a floor plan. And look right here, we can see right here on this floor plan, we got a sliding window right here. Going down here, we got a sliding window right here. Okay, we're gonna go over this more later. We're just going over the basics right now. As you can see right here, we're looking at the interior elevation / restrooms. Now let's take a look up here. At 11:15, we have our women's toilet restroom, and right here we have our men's toilet restroom. These are detailed drawings. Okay, we can see right here we have a urinal. It's the men's toilet restroom. And also right here in the men's toilet room, we have a recessed hand dryer, and we have a toilet and grab bar. Okay, so I'm just going over some of the basics. Be looking out for part 2 where we go into more detail. If you like this information, hit the like button, subscribe, become my apprentice. Temple Builders.